Okay, today we're going to talk about our gold trading system from Forexearlywarning. So those of you that are familiar with the Forexearlywarning trading system, we use correlated pairs to find the best pair to trade, and it works the same way with gold because you're trading gold against another currency. Most Forex traders do trade gold against the US dollar because of the low spread. So look at this example here. You have gold is dropping against all the major currencies, the top 8 currencies, and your charting system is set up to look almost exactly like the live indicator. This is our Forex Heatmap live indicator. So you got gold against several of the currencies, like the euro or the US dollar. So this is the one you're going to trade or try to trade. But look, it's dropping against the euro too. You can set it up against the Japanese yen. Here's gold against the Australian dollar. So what you're doing is you're setting up your charts to look like the live indicator. Now here's another chart set up. This chart set up, it's fantastic. Look, it's gold against the euro. It's gold against the US dollar and the Swiss franc and the yen and the pound. You set it up on the smaller time frames like the M5 and the M15, and it will track the Forex heat map for gold. This is the MetaTrader chart setup. So what you're trying to do is get your charts to look like the heat map, and you have a super high confidence trading system for gold. So the chart setup is correlated pairs. The chart setup looks like the Forex heat map, okay? Now the Forex heat map is our live indicator for 28 pairs plus gold. And we've been setting up the charts like this, like the correlated pairs with the yen pairs, euro pairs, and 8 different currencies for a long time. We're just transferring that over to gold. It's the best charting system and live indicator system for trading gold, 28 pairs, and 8 currencies along with gold. Now the trend indicators you see here are the free trend indicators. Very simple set of the red and green lines you saw. You set them up according to the MetaTrader profiles or equivalent on any other chart platform. Click on that link there, you'll go over to the MetaTrader profiles. And remember, you're setting up the charts to match the Forex heat map. In this case, it would be all the gold pairs. If you're outside the United States, you have access to a lot of different gold brokers and leverage as high as 500 to 1. Inside the USA, you're going to have some problems finding a broker, but there are workarounds, a lot of them too. So you can trade gold against the US dollar or any other combination of gold against a major currency as long as the spread is acceptable. But you can also trade gold via crypto. So you can go to a major brokerage platform for crypto like Binance or any one of a number of other crypto brokers, and you could trade coins like Pax Gold and Tether Gold, which are the top two, with like 10 times leverage. There's other gold tokens, but these are the two that I found to be the most widely traded. It would be Pax Gold and USD Gold. Now you can, Tether Gold, excuse me. And so you can also use the heat map to trade stocks and put and call options. And that option on the New York Stock Exchange is ticker symbol GLD. It trades about 5 to 7 million shares per day and is optionable, so you can sell covered calls. It's a great way to trade gold is with a high liquidity equity like GLD, and you can trade it with our heat map tool. So when gold is selling off, Pax Gold, Tether Gold, and GLD will all be selling off. So you have several options in scenarios here. If gold is strong, the best scenario is to trade against weak cross currency. So you always want to trade gold against the weakest cross currency. So if you want to sell, the Forex heat map tells you what's now on this particular day, most of the pairs all sold off. You want to stick with the ones that are moving the fastest, which indicates that the cross currency, so gold is dropping, it means the USD probably had some strength, translating into a great trade on XAU versus the US dollar. Alert systems for gold. The Forex news calendar is a great way to time your gold trades. Another way is that you can learn more about that just by clicking there. Another way is to set audible price alerts. So locate a breakout point on maybe a bigger time frame like the H1 or larger time frame. Set a price alert, and you can set a price alert going in two directions, up and down at breakout points. You can set a breakout alert here. If it starts to go into a cluster, set a price alert on either side. It's called a straddle alert. When it breaks to the upside, you check the Forex heat map for validation. So in this case, gold broke out. The best currency to trade it against was the British pound or New Zealand dollar. Now gold went up against the US dollar, but not nearly as fast. That's the 0.5% is a huge amount. So if you have the ability to trade all these pairs, always pick the right one, or else wait for the gold against the US dollar to be one of the higher percentages. So you know that the US dollar isn't resisting the movement. So these are fantastic movements, lots and lots of pips. Everybody knows gold is a volatile asset. And this is the movement you got for gold against the euro on this particular day. So now you can monitor the market with price alerts, the news calendar, and verify your trade entry on the best pair to trade gold against the weakest asset on the gold heat map. Also, we send out push alerts. You can learn about them here. If we send out a push alert that the US dollar is weak or strong, you can check gold versus the US dollar for a buy or sell trade entry and verify it with the heat map. The gold heat map is a super trading system. It has really exceeded all of our expectations, and we think you can get an extra 1 to 2 trades per week. So that would be about 7 to 10 extra trades per month on top of the 8 currencies and 28 pairs, Forex pairs that we currently trade. So the Forex Early Warning trading system is built on trading 8 currencies and 28 pairs, Forex pairs. But now with the addition of gold, we feel like we can get you an extra 7 to 10 trades per month. And they'll all be trades that really rock. I mean, really, really, really volatile, strong movements with the correlated pairs verification and really the best charting system for gold I've ever seen. So this is our high confidence, statistical high confidence gold trading system from ForexEarlywarning.com.